Hey riders, welcome back to Auto Info Master, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 bikes of 2025, machines that are setting new benchmarks in style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. From adrenaline-packed sport bikes to rugged adventure machines, this list has something for every rider. But here's the twist, we're counting down from number 5 to the undisputed number 1. Who will take the top spot? Stick with us to find out. Let's get started. 5. Honda CBR500R, said Honda RKM. The 2025 Honda CBR500R secures the 5th spot on our list. Designed as a perfect blend of sporty styling and everyday practicality, this bike targets riders seeking both thrill and comfort. Under the hood, the CBR500R features a 471XC parallel twin engine, producing 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. While not as powerful as its larger competitors, the smooth power delivery and Honda's renowned reliability make it ideal for beginner and intermediate riders. Equipped with an assist/slipper clutch, the bike offers seamless gear transitions, enhancing overall ride quality. The aerodynamic design, sharp LED headlights, and aggressive bodywork deliver a head-turning look. Its 40-on ME Showa separate function forks and Pro-linked rear suspension ensure a balanced and comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising highways, the CBR500R performs admirably. Priced at $7,299, it's an affordable entry into the world of sport bikes. However, its modest power and lack of cutting-edge features limit its appeal for hardcore enthusiasts, securing it the 5th position on our list. 4. 2025 KTM 390 Adventure. At number 4, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure is the go-to bike for adventurous souls who crave off-road exploration. Powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine, the KTM produces 43 horsepower and 37 Nm of torque, delivering an engaging and agile performance. Its ride-by-wire throttle and quick shifter ensure smooth power delivery both on and off-road. The Bosch 2-channel ABS with off-road mode provides impeccable braking control, adapting to varying terrains effortlessly. The bike's WP Apex suspension, with 107 mm front and 177 mm rear travel, absorbs bumps and obstacles with ease. Add a 19-inch front wheel and dual-purpose tires, and you have a machine ready for trails. Its lightweight build and low seat height make it accessible for riders of all sizes. Priced at $7,399, it's a value-packed adventure bike. However, the relatively smaller engine limits its long-distance touring capabilities compared to larger ADV models. 3. 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. In third place, the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 combines rugged charm with modern upgrades. The bike comes equipped with a brand new 450cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, churning out 40 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. Its torquey nature and 6-speed gearbox make it ideal for off-road expeditions and highway cruising. The long-travel suspension and 21-inch front wheel make tackling tough terrains a breeze. Royal Enfield has upgraded the Himalayan's electronics, introducing switchable ABS, a TFT display with navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Despite these modern touches, the Himalayan retains its retro design, with a rugged frame and practical luggage mounting points. With a price tag of around $6,000, the Himalayan 450 delivers unmatched versatility. While it excels in off-road adventures, it's not as refined or powerful as the bikes in our top 2 spots. 225 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Claiming the runner-up spot is the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, a track weapon disguised as a road bike. This beast features a 998cc inline-4 engine producing a mind-blowing 203 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque. It's a powerhouse built for speed, boasting Kawasaki's electronic throttle valves for precise control. The IMU-based electronics package includes cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring safety at high speeds. Its aggressive design, aerodynamic winglets, and sharp LED headlights scream performance. The Showa Balance free forks and BFRC rear shock offer outstanding suspension response, whether you're cornering on the track or cruising on highways. The bike's Brembo brakes provide superior stopping power. Priced at $17,399, the Ninja ZX-10R is a dream for performance enthusiasts. However, its steep price and track-oriented nature make it less practical for everyday use, placing it just shy of the top spot. 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1. Taking the crown as the best bike of 2025 is none other than the Yamaha YZF-R1. This superbike combines cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and Yamaha's legendary engineering. Under the fairings lies a 998cc crossplane inline-4 engine, delivering an astonishing 200 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque. The Roan features ride-by-wire technology, a sophisticated 6-axis IMU, and MotoGP DESC's electronics, including slide control, launch control, and cornering ABS. The fully adjustable KYB suspension and Brembo braking system ensure precise handling and confidence-inspiring braking. Its lightweight aluminum chassis and aerodynamic design enhance agility, making it a joy to ride on tracks and highways alike. Aesthetic upgrades for 2025 include a sharper front fascia, integrated winglets, and striking new color schemes. Priced at $17,999, the Roan is slightly more expensive than the Ninja ZX-10R, but its versatility and refined performance give it an edge. For those seeking the ultimate riding experience, the Yamaha YZF-R1 stands at the pinnacle of perfection. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 bikes of 2025. Do you agree with our rankings, or did your favorite bike miss the list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Info Master for more exciting reviews. Ride safe, and see you next time.